Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to integrate your Shopify plugin with ChatGPT. Now, first of all, I gotta say that ChatGPT does not actually support a Shopify plugin in itself. So as you can see, these are just some of the plugins that ChatGPT supports. However, none of these plugins is a Shopify plugin. So how can you actually go and integrate ChatGPT with Shopify and vice versa? So you cannot actually integrate Shopify with ChatGPT, but you can integrate ChatGPT with Shopify. So basically, as you can see, if you go to the App Store of Shopify, you will be able to go here and type in ChatGPT, and you have a bunch of other ChatGPT bots that you can use and applications that you can use. So as you can see, you have AI Content Master, you have ChatGPT Chatbot, you have ChatGPT Sales Chatbot, Yodel, which is AI ChatGPT descriptions, and every single of those bots is working on a particular automation and on a ChatGPT API. So if you want like the full experience of ChatGPT, you can go and use ChatGPT. However, there isn't a ChatGPT Shopify integration or Shopify application or Shopify plugin at this point. However, it will be, I think, in the future. The Shopify said that they will be able to, that they will announce a Shopify ChatGPT plugin. However, for now, there isn't a plugin for that. However, you can still use these plugins right here, which some of them are really free. And yeah, it depends, what plugin you want to use, whether or not it's an AI blogs SEO optimizer, SEO description optimizer, content optimizer, content creator, sales chatbot, or whatever, right? You can use them right here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you find this video useful, and we'll see you in the next video.